Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to explain how to make a tower defense style game in Scratch, and how it is similar to the other two types of games in terms of the programming. We would use the same thought process as the other two games, namely that we would check when the green flag is clicked to launch the program. But generally, because tower defense games are mouse controlled and not keyboard controlled, the actual mechanics would be a little different than the other two types of games. And so, we would actually only need 2 and not 3 or 4 of these when green flag clicked instances. And the second one is used to check when the mouse is clicked, while the first one is used only when you drag the mouse in general. So what we would do is, in the first case, we would make the character point toward the mouse pointer. And in the second case, we would have the character check if the mouse was clicked. And our plan is to have the character shoot a bullet when you click the mouse. But we will not actually implement bullets until later. So we will instead have the character say something as a sort of test. We should now test if our code works. And indeed, the point toward mouse pointer works. But sadly, the if mouse down does not. And we also see that the point towards function only worked exactly one time. It did not point again as you move the cursor. However, we would fix that using a forever loop. And we would use the forever loop on the other piece of code too, so that way we could reiterate it as many times as we wanted. We will test the code now. And indeed, both codes work as fully intended. With the basic functionalities of the main character out of the way, we can implement the bullets that the character is supposed to shoot in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.